how to buy Coq Inu coin on Binance. So what you're gonna have to do is simply click on buy crypto, and then you're gonna have to simply click on the cryptocurrency here and search for Coq. Now, as you can see, for now it's not supported on Binance directly, but what you can do, you can basically use another wallet like Trust Wallet or Phantom Wallet to convert your Coq Inu into other crypto such as Solana or USDT, and then you can simply go to Binance and click on deposit, then click on deposit crypto, and then here you're gonna have to simply choose the crypto. So you can go with USDT, which has the lowest fees and it's one of the best, then choose the network, and then you're gonna have to paste this address into that external wallet where you converted the Coq Inu coin. So basically that's it. Thanks for watching.